Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ali the Fascia Lift method. So in today's video we're going to be working along the jawline area, the mandible. We're going to be releasing tight tension around this area, and actually by doing this it's going to help with any stagnation under the jawline and also those fine lines and wrinkles above, having a really sharper jawline. So you want to start off with clean skin, and again, as always, I'm using a little bit of facial oil for a bit of grip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging or pulling. And we're just going to add a couple of drops to the fingers and massage that in. And then just apply all along the jawline at the top, underneath, and then just down by the front, and then behind the ears, and then down by the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So first of all, let's just take our fingers and just start doing a little bit of gentle pinching here. This is really helping with blood flow and circulation to the area, just warming everything up. And I like to start from the chin and working along. Now, if you do have long nails, you can always use your knuckles so you're not digging into the skin. And then before we get on with any starting of the fascia here, let's just take the pads of the fingers, and where our collarbone is just above, we've got some indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses to really open up the gateways for the lymphatics. Right, so we're going to place one hand now as an anchor onto our chin, taking the other finger as a hook, and you just want to very gently melt your finger into the skin. This is a light to medium touch, and then very, very slowly we're now working all along the top of the jawline. Now, what we're doing here is we're creating space from any fascia glue which has been stuck to the bone. And by creating space, this will allow for more nutrients, oxygen, blood flow and circulation, well, detoxification. And the fascia is a connective structural tissue throughout the whole of the body. Really great facial decompression, if you like, fascia decompression, by really unsticking some of that glue which may be stuck onto the bone. And now with the other hand, taking a finger as a hook, gently take in. I like to do a nice gentle breath before and then out for 6. Now you also want to make sure that the whole of your face is nice and relaxed, and also that your back is nice and straight, and you're sitting down, or you can stand up, but as long as your feet are in alignment and you're nice and straight, so you're allowed for more maximum blood flow and circulation and oxygen to the neck and the head area. All the way along. Nice, slow, mindful, so we're not dragging at the skin. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 8 years, and I really am passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So please comment down below as well and tell me how you're finding these facial daily challenges. So now we're going to work underneath. Now, we don't want to be crushing too much underneath the jawline because, again, we've got those lymph nodes. So just taking the thumb here, we're just very gently massaging in an outwards motion, starting from the chin and then working our way slowly along the jawline. And again, a really great fascia decompression. And then taking the fingers, we're now placing our thumb under the chin, fingers above, and just very gently pinch. Again, really unsticking any tight fascia on the bone, and just gently working along the mandible pinch. Until we get to the end of the jawline. And then placing our thumb under the chin, fingers above, just gently gliding now where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And this is why it's really important to have a really lovely facial serum or a oil, just so you've got a bit of a slip and grip and glide, so not compromising the skin. But also whatever you do apply to your skin is going to penetrate in better and deeper. So if you can, please try to have organic and as natural as possible. And then just taking the fingers, front of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then just work along round circular motions along the occipital bone. So basically the bottom of the head, the top of the neck. Just get really lovely massage here. And then when the fingers are touching, one hand at a time, just gliding down that big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, just above, we've got those indentations, our starting point, taking the pads of the fingers, and if you can just give those a few gentle presses. This will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the jawline and the mandible area, doing our fascia work into the body, ready for elimination. So again, if you can have a nice glass of lukewarm water to really hydrate the fascia, help with detoxification, and I would really look forward to seeing you tomorrow in the next video. So again, please comment down below, like, subscribe and share, and I see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.